Hello and welcome. This is lesson 4 of Introduction to Hindi Alphabets, and in this lesson we will learn about Baraha Kadi of Ka, or the sounds of Ka. Now, in the previous lesson we have learned about the vowels of Hindi. They are A, I, U, Ye, I, O, Au, and Aha. Right? We have also seen the consonants of Hindi language, and we know that half consonants plus vowels equal to sounds. There was a lesson about half consonant also, and this sound is called as Baraha Kadi in Hindi. Alright, although I like to call it as sound. Now, we have to add all these half consonants to the vowels and see what sound we get. And in this video, we will see what sound we will get when we add this to this, this to this, and so on till this. Or in other words, we'll see the sounds that we get when we add this half consonant to all these vowels. Alright, so let us start with the first sound, which is K. 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 Alright, and you get this sound when you add K to A. K plus A equal to K. K plus A equal to K. Alright, and as a new learner of Hindi language, it is enough if you know this sound. Okay? It is not required to know this formula. It is difficult to pronounce the half consonants. Alright? As you have seen, if you have seen in the lesson that was meant for half consonant, then you will know that it is difficult to pronounce this. Alright? So it is not necessary to know this. Just know the sound. Alright? K. And the pronunciation of K is like CU in cut. Cut. K. K. Cut. 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 Right? And like CU in current. 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 Alright, so that is the first sound. Let us see how to write it. We write K like this. Horizontal line, vertical line, and like this. Okay. A T and like this. So this is K. Next is Ka. Next sound is Ka. Previous one was K, this is Ka, the dragged version of the previous sound. And you get this sound Ka when you add K to A. K plus A equal to Ka. K plus A equal to Ka. And you pronounce Ka like CA in car. Car. Car, car, and like CA in calm, calm, calm. Right? Let us see how to write it. We write Ka like this. Like this, and a vertical line next to it, right to it. Alright, that is Ka. Next is Ki. 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 And you get this sound Ki when you add K to E. K plus E equal to Ki. K plus E equal to Ki. And it is pronounced like Ki in kick. Kick, ki, k, kick, and like ki in kin, 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 kin. All right. Let us see how to write it. Like this and like this. Okay, like this, a line to the left and like this. This is key. Next is the dragged version of the previous sound. This is key, key. The previous one is key. This is key, 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 key. All right. And you get this sound when you add k to e. K plus e equal to key. K plus e equal to key. And the way you pronounce it is like k double e in keen, 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 and like kee in goalkeeper, 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 goalkeeper. All right. Let us see how to write this. K and to the right. K. This is K. A line to the right and like this. All right. That is key. Next is ku. 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 And you get this sound ku when you add k to u. K plus u equal to ku. K plus u equal to ku. And it is pronounced like ku in kudos, kudos, ku, ku, kudos, and like ku in sudoku, 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 sudoku. All right. Let us see how to write ku. Like this, this, and the line. All right. Yes, like this and like this. This is ku. Next is ku. Okay, dragged version of the previous sound. Ku, dragged or longer version, I can say, longer version of previous sound. Ku. And you get this sound when you add k to u. K plus u equal to ku. K plus u equal to ku. And you pronounce it like COO in Cooper. 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 And like COO in Scooby-Doo. Not Scoo, it is Su. Scooby. Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo. Su. Scooby-Doo. Coo. Coo. All right. And the way you write it is like this. Okay, that is ku. Next is k. 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 And you get this sound k when you add k to a. K plus a equal to k. K plus a equal to k. K plus a equal to k. And you pronounce it like CHE in chemical. Chemical, 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 and like KE in ketchup, ketchup, K, ketchup. Alright, let us see how to write it. Like this. K and a curved line above it. That is K. Next is Kai. 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 And you get this sound Kai when you add K to I. K plus I equal to Kai. K plus I equal to Kai. Alright. And it is pronounced like Ki in kite. 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 And like Ki in kind. Kind. Kai. Kind. Alright. Now let us see how to write it. Similar to previous sound, but with one more extra curved line on the top. Alright. Similar to K, the previous sound, but one more extra curved line is on the top. This is Kai. Next is Ko. 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 And you get this sound Ko when you add K to O. K plus O equal to Ko. K plus O equal to Ko. And you pronounce it like CO, CO in comma. 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 And like CO in core. 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 Right? And you write it like this. Okay. Once again. Like this. Okay. Cool. Next is cow. 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 And you get this sound cow when you add K to ow. K plus ow equal to cow. K plus ow equal to cow. And you pronounce it straightforward as cow, the animal cow. Alright? Cow. 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 And you write it like this. Like this. Alright? Once again. Yeah. That is cow. Next is come. 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 And you get this sound come when you add K to K plus equal to come. K plus equal to come. And you pronounce it like come, the word come. Alright? Come. Welcome. Come. Okay? And you write it like this. K, which is first sound with a dot above it, makes it come. The last sound is kaha. 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 And you get this sound when you add K to aha. K plus aha equal to kaha. K plus aha equal to kaha. Okay. And there is no example in English which I can give you. Alright. So the usage is mainly in Hindi and Sanskrit. Alright. And the way you write it is like this. K, which is first sound, with the two dots right to it. Okay, right of it, we write two dots. That is kaha. So that is the Barah Kadi of K, or as I like to call it, the sounds of K. To recall, K plus A equal to K, K plus A equal to Ka, K plus E equal to Ki, K plus E equal to ki. K plus U equal to ku. K plus U equal to ku. K plus A equal to K. K plus I equal to kai. K plus O equal to ko. K plus au equal to kau. K plus equal to kam. K plus aha equal to kaha. Alright. So that's it. Go ahead and practice pronouncing it and writing it. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and thank you for watching. Click subscribe, click on the bell icon and click on all to get notified when we post a new video. If you want to watch more videos, click on the channel and click on playlists and follow any playlist that you want.